Greetings. We are Team Invincible from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and our team ID is 68060. Our prompt statement ID is SIH25120 Student Innovation Swadeshi for Atmanirbhar Bharat under the theme Travel and Tourism. Now coming to our blockchain application, these are the blockchain user ID created, and once we deploy the blockchain page, we have to enter all the tourist details. All these details are called as metadata, where the date of birth, personal details and the Aadhaar card of the tourist is uploaded along with the trip itinerary and emergency contact details and address details. This is stored in a wallet address which is mapped to blockchain and is unique for each tourist. Once the eKYC verification is done in our mock UI, the wallet address is stored specifically for the tourist, and the admin of the government can fetch the tourist data specifically through the wallet address map for that particular tourist. Now coming to our safety app, after the eKYC is done, directly the tourist can log in into the app by choosing the language and doing a OTP verification. Once the tourist is logged in, he has to scan his Aadhaar card or passport, and a QR code is generated for tickets and blockchain identity. The dashboard shows all the vital tracking readings, heart rate, SpO2, temperature and fall detection, and the details is continuously shared to their personal family contacts or the police. The app also shows tourist locations nearby and a Geo-Fencing map which sends alerts. There is also an SOS button to send distress calls to the first circle. The tourist can also add their itinerary plan along with the date, duration and the activities to be done. This is constantly updated in the dashboard, renewing their trip stay. The alert systems also show Geo-Fence alerts, weather alert warnings, SOS triggering. Through our map, the user can set his destination points, find out nearby tourist spots, hotels and locations. Also, through the geofencing, they can be confined to that particular area. They can also update their personal details and dashboard whenever they want, which will be updated in the database. The app also has a feature to add as many as languages they want. It supports almost 20 Indian languages and 10 foreign languages. Moving on to our hardware part. This prototype was developed during our internal hackathon. So this is a typical wristband where we've integrated the heart rate sensor, NFC module, where in cases if the tourist is unconscious or if the abnormality of the readings is differing, the NFC module will be activated and anyone who has a phone nearby can just come simply tap it and get the details with AI based analytics to do any first aid response if needed. Once the band is connected to the app, the data is completely synced and all the vitals is transmitted to the database and app. If there's any abnormalities or any emergency requirements, the ambulance or the police support is sent for immediately. The band also contains a GSM module to continuously share the location details. We've also added a LoRaWAN in case if there's no signal in some areas. Apart from this, a gyroscope sensor is there for fall detection and a temperature sensor, barometric sensor. This is the anomaly detection for the location. If there's any change in the destination or any distress calls or route deviations or pattern errors, it immediately detects it and sends an alert. Now coming to our police dashboard, the government user ID is logged in. It is given to the tourist department or the police, where they get a comprehensive report of all the tourists in that area and whoever is connected to the band. So it gives you a live risk map where they can set the geofencing areas and if they cross the geofencing areas, it will send an alert to their closed circles app and haptic sensor response in the band. The band also has a mic and speaker to do real-time language translation. So this is the complete list of all the tourists engaged actively in the band. So they can individually view it or view it on the whole according to the safety zones. It is divided into 3 zones: risk zone, moderate zone, and safe zones. The analytic dashboards gives you the total number of active tourist incidents, reports to be flagged and resolved. And it also gives you a kind of log event based report to track the number of events, queries, and resolutions done. The page can also be customized as per the user's requirements. The language can also be updated. Thus, by introducing all of these into our solution and completely made in India, the tourism economy will definitely boost up, and also due to the safety provided to the tourists both internationally and in domestically, this is going to be a really ideal solution for all the consumers. Thank you.